sprinkling, that's it. But, Cheyenne said there's a tornado at the Durian, everybody's saying. What you do, Trippy? Huh? Yeah, I'm videotaping it.
So you just put it on news?
No, I don't put it on news. I just put it on YouTube. Well, I do put some of the pictures on KTN on Facebook. I don't know.
Yeah.
That's what Cheyenne's saying. It's going to hit Durant.
Oh, like what? It's gonna hit like what?
No, this Cartwright. Durant's way up there, baby. That's where my dad's at.
Oh no.
Yeah, he's in the hospital up there.
What if it's in the hospital?
Yeah, I hope it don't. I pray to God it don't.
Yeah. There ain't been no one and my grandpa died.
Whoa!
My grandpa died.
Did he? My mom passed away a couple of years ago, back in 2008.
My aunt told me to get to the house and go to that other house. Well, are you are? I said, I'm just trying to help.
Make sure you can get to the shelter if you have to.
I didn't go back there. I seen a snake over there one time.
Yeah, I know. They're bad out here.
So I didn't go back there.
Look at that wind picking up. Now they're going now, baby. What's it look like on Channel 7? On the Weather Channel? What does that thing look like on Channel 7 on the Weather Channel? What does it look like on the map on the Weather Channel?
I don't fucking know. I'm not going inside.
Look on your iPod.
It doesn't show me.